guys, so what we do now, we just I stay at home and then I drive my drones to the 2 kilometers from where we live, because I stay at a small town, so I live in under the beautiful of Mount Rinjani. And then you will saw how beautiful there is the our town. Yeah, this is very perfectly panoramic, very green of the rice paddy. It's awesome, and also you will see like the forest, because in my place is in a border of the national park of Mount Rinjani. And then but at the moment everything is closed because it's dark, because of the, yeah, it's the situation, so we have to stay at home. And then but we still enjoy the beautiful view from my ponds. But my drone is some going for so far at the moment, and it's quite hard to fly, but it's beautiful. It's really, so I would like to enjoy it too. And then if you would like, so don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and then I will always update of the beautiful nature in Indonesia. Thank you very much. Yeah, here where we live, so we drive my drones 2 kilometers from home because we can't go to outside to see the view. So yeah, just look from the ponds, and then my drone has fly to the 2 kilometer far away, and then around 300 meter higher, so still can see the views from my pond at home. But my drone is going so far with the limit batteries, so here I have to sitting at home to enjoy that. And then I would like to share to the world to make the someone happy to know it, and then to make them not so really boring about everything, because now everything is stuck, so we have to stay at home for long days. So now, so I would like to see, would like to give you some gift what you gonna see. So please don't think all about what happening at the moment. Just stay at home and relax. Beautiful, right? Yeah, it's the green thing to see. There is the forest as well. Where I stay in the border of the national park Mount Rinjani. So here is a lot of the rice terraces. It's the beautiful rice terraces. You can see it. And at the moment, yeah, in normal days, here is the tourism part, tourism place. But not really crowded actually. Just some of the people come to see the incredible of this view. But at the moment everything is stuck for a while, and I hope that the happening will be ends soon, so everybody can do activity again and travel or something else. Yeah, this is very beautiful, guys. Yeah, sorry, it's very beautiful. And then I think it's a lot of people missing this place, like from European, Asian, yeah, probably over the world. But this is awesome, yeah. I think, yeah, of course you're gonna missing this one because it's beautiful view. And then this place in Lombok Indonesia, yeah, Lombok Indonesia, it's look like a little similar than Bali, but not similar. Just yeah, probably because you showing from the picture from my drones, so that's why like a little similar than Bali, but actually here is more beautiful, and then less touristy, less people, and more nature. Yeah, Bali is beautiful, but yeah, every island in Indonesia they have like Like a lot of is different but still beautiful too. Like Lombok, Bali, there is some the place is very similar, but some place is not similar but still have a beautiful. Okay guys, this is some of a few beautiful places I would like to share to you now. And then for the next day, of course, I'm gonna share again what you would like to see. Yeah, maybe it's more pretty than this, but we don't know exactly. We have to wait for a few days to making everything. At the moment, we have to stay at home and then for relax. Yeah, enjoy your days and have a great time.